Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. I'm Harsh Singh and in this video we'll do a small review of the exam that has been just conducted. ठीक है, CUET-PG English 2024. Now exam तो हो गया. So what is the first impressions that we are getting from our students? We'll discuss all that. So was the exam easy? Was the exam difficult? And what will be the expected cutoff? We'll discuss all of that in this video. ठीक है, and if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Telegram. ठीक है, this is the link, official link, Harsh Singh Sir Official, and this is a brief about me. So the Common University Entrance Test, CUET-PG 2024. This is the exam that we will discuss about, ठीक है? In particular, English. So the feedback that we are getting from our students is that the question paper was on the difficult side, ठीक है? This was not an easy paper this year. It was slightly tilted toward the difficult side. And this was also unconventional because a lot of questions came from areas that they don't ask questions from. ठीक है, जनरली ये लोग पूछते नहीं उन एरियाज से सवाल आए हुए थे बहुत सारे. देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ऑन इंडियन लिटरेचर, ठीक है, ऑल्सो अफ्रीकन लिटरेचर वाज देयर एंड देन प्लेंटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ऑफ मैच द फॉलोइंग टाइप, ठीक है, मैच द फॉलोइंग. सो व्हाट विल बी द एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ? नाउ आई विल डिस्कस दिस इन अ मिनट, बट बिफोर दैट what are some conclusions that we can draw? Now first is NTA is known for surprises and even this year a lot of surprises were there. Okay, उसके बाद every year some questions are slightly unconventional, ये तो सबको पता है, बट दिस ईयर अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वर अनकन्वेंशनल, ठीक है, नॉट जस्ट सम क्वेश्चंस बट अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. द नेक्स्ट कंक्लूजन दैट वी कैन ड्रॉ इज व्हेनेवर यू प्रिपेयर for next year or after that or whenever, cover all the sections of the syllabus, ठीक है. So be it Indian literature or translation studies or comparative literature, जो sections हैं syllabus में mentioned, you have to do it well, ठीक है, because from translation studies a lot of questions were there. So if you don't have any clue about comparative literature or translation studies, then question paper will be tricky, will be difficult. So always cover all of the sections of the syllabus. Now उसके बाद good preparedness always helps, ठीक है. Now don't ever rely on the fact that CUET-PG last year was easier, ठीक है, or maybe next year it will be easy. इस चीज पे कभी नहीं रहना है. You never know. Sometimes they can give a easy question paper. Sometimes, like this year, they can make a difficult question paper. ठीक है? And practice makes perfect. So those people who were good prepared or well prepared, उनके लिए question paper बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं था. Now one last announcement. If you are preparing for next year, 2025, we are starting a new batch of live classes for CUET-PG English or MA English Entrance. ठीक है? In this batch, live explanation sessions will be there. Printable PDFs will be provided, MCQ practice will be there, then doubt sessions will be there, ठीक है, and validity of this is 1 year. And if you apply this coupon code, ठीक है, you will get a very attractive discount, ठीक है. A new batch starts on the 26th of March, ठीक है. To enroll, just download the Literature Mantra app and apply this coupon code, ठीक है. So होली है 25 तारीख को, होली मना के आओ, and immediately after that we are beginning a new batch, new live classes batch, ठीक है. And remember that seats are limited, so book your seat as quickly as possible. And for any inquiries, just WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. You can also call or WhatsApp, ठीक है.